Unlock a passive income stream by mastering Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage Pinterest's visual power to drive traffic and sales. For your Amazon affiliate links first, let's create compelling pins. Think high-quality product images, bright colors, and bold text that clearly states the benefit or type of product. Use tools like Canva for easy design. Your pin should be eye-catching and instantly communicate value. Next, optimize your pins for search. Every pin needs a keyword-rich title and description. Imagine what someone would type into Pinterest to find the product you're promoting. For example, instead of cool gadget, try best noise-canceling headphones. For studying, use relevant hashtags like hashtag Amazon finds, hashtag product review, and specific product categories to increase discoverability. Crucially, ensure your affiliate link is clearly visible within your pin's description or directly on the pin, if permitted by your niche and Pinterest's guidelines, leading straight to the Amazon product page. Now, let's talk about driving traffic. Consistency is key. Pin regularly to keep your content visible. Create multiple pins for the same product, varying the images and descriptions to see what performs best. Join relevant Pinterest group boards to expand your reach. Finally, track your results. Monitor which pins are getting the most clicks and conversions to refine your strategy and maximize your earnings from Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest.